So guys, we are back with another build. We will build i5-13400F with the RTX 3060 gigabyte OC edition in this beautiful case. It's coming from darkflash, DKL 4000. Let me check. DKL 4000 is the exactly model. It's completely white, but a little bit different here from other cases, because we mostly see the other case like this. They have the PSU behind the case, but here's the different situation. We have the PCU shroud down there, like that, the bottom side. Here we can easily pop this thing out, put the PSU here and pull it back. Then there. So that's easy. That's it in an easy case to installing a PSU. So let's start. I will show you little short videos of building the PC and what will we are using today in this build. So let's start.
Should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
power this PC. It's a Silverstone white PSU, and the GPU is gigabyte RTX 3060 12GB, the OC edition. So it is like the silver and white look to match the build. And the RAM is Lexer 32GB, DDR4 4000 MHz, MSI B650 B760 T Wi-Fi motherboard with i5 13400F. The cooler we are using 360 of Sama. It's a Chinese brand. Most of the brand is like almost Chinese, like a cooler is, but it's pretty fine with the i5 3400F. It control. I just touched Cinebench on like it was on 100% load using the 95 voltage, and temperature was 55. So what we got from the RAM is 4000 MHz or XMP mode. It's like completely a budget friendly build for, you can say in Pakistan. So it's a high-end build. If you see in the US and UK, it's like the mid-range PC build.
Russian